Wow, a '69 Mustang. This is the find of a lifetime. It's in rough shape, but I see the potential. I can definitely restore this. Wow, look at this beauty, a '69 Mustang. It's rough, really rough, but it's all here. Okay, all right. Opening up this old beauty. Oh, wow, that's a lot of rust and oil leaks. This is gonna be a tough one. Easy now. Perfect. Well done.
We're swapping out the stock suspension for this high-performance system.
All right, time for the candy red. Let's make this Mustang shine. Perfect. The leather is perfect, and the dash looks like new.
Okay.
Now check out these brand new chrome wheels. Perfection. All right, let's take this beauty for a spin. Nothing beats the feeling of the open road at sunset.